I have pain in my teeth. I don't know what happened.
Don't worry, I will see. Come here and sit over there. Now tell me, what did you feel there?
I felt continuous teasing over my teeth.
Did you brush your teeth twice a day daily? It's necessary for dental health.
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, come let me examine your teeth.
Is that painful?
No. Open your mouth. There are cavities present on various teeth. Primarily, it involves sugary foods, sugary drinks, which causes cavities over teeth, results in lack of enamel, fluoride, toothbrushing. It must be treated now, or teeth decay.
No. Okay, do it, now.
Mission accomplished.
It's calming, done over there.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, now brush your teeth twice daily.
Yes, I do brushing now.
Good, or after every meal.
Absolutely.
Nice, take care, and have a good day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Okay, kids, now don't forget. Teeth cleaning is a vital part of your mouth organ in the human body for food intake. A healthier teeth means a healthier brushing twice a day for happier teeth cleaning. Adopt the habit of teeth brushing, especially in kids. Make sure the brush moves in all directions thoroughly, right, left, up, down in front teeth for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat this process process of brushing 2 to 3 times for a few seconds for effective cleaning, especially in the distant lines of teeth, as food mostly stuck in these areas, which causes bad bacteria present or other mouth disorders. If mouth hygiene of teeth brushing is not followed regularly, this process must be followed inwards mouth, at least, to prevent yourself from toothache and finally decay. Remember, fail to do so results in cavity appears on various parts of the teeth, makes teeth unhealthy, and finally leads to tooth decay. Only a healthy brushing keeps the mouth hygiene fresh and protected from any disorders. Also, to rinse your mouth to remove small particles over teeth away and keeps your breath fresh, so stay healthy and keep brushing. Thank you.